With so many Amazon tools on the market, is JungleScout still worth it in 2026? So it really depends on what type of seller you are on Amazon, right? So if we're looking at JungleScout, this is what it looks like now. And they are gearing up more towards enterprises. So big aggregate companies, which means their tools are getting more accurate. So on a scale right now, it seems like everybody's saying JungleScout is the most accurate tool, and that means in terms of sales. Now, if you log in, JungleScout is also the cleanest tool. So my number one recommendation for JungleScout is going to be if you are a beginner. If you're a beginner, this is the cleanest, best tool you can use, hands down. It's like the iPhone of tools. Now, once you scale up, you're going to want to also expand to Android, aka Helium 10. There is a link in the description for both of those tools, but you can see right here when you log in, it's telling us our profit. It really gets the data right the first time, and that's super awesome. Also, it's super clean. So the interface is extremely clean, and you can see all of the tools right here. Very organized. They keep it short and sweet. They don't have any of these extra tools. It's just focused on Amazon. That's what they do best, and they double down on it. Their sourcing video is 49 minutes long. They even have checklists for you. So download your product research checklist. So that's really nice. And we can see the checklist right here. And again, it's just like super nice to have all of this. You can kind of just check it off. Everything you're doing when you're launching on Amazon, so that way you're doing it right. What else? They have a supplier research checklist, research through Alibaba and JungleScout suppliers database to find potential suppliers, create an Alibaba account. It's like SOPs on how to do everything. And they even give you a timeline on how long it takes to find a good supplier, which is super awesome. Questions: was the supplier's response timely? Did the supplier this is legit stuff. This is all legit. Shipping and launch. Let's see how good this is. Okay, so you're prepping for your launch. Okay, keyword scout. You're using the listing builder tool. Obtaining all necessary product codes. A little bit broad, but still good. Quality images, brand name. Look, you can do a trademark search. Whoever made this is doing a really good job, and they keep it very simple and clean. But the biggest thing about JungleScout is its Chrome extension. So when you do sign up, you get access to their Chrome extension. And I believe they were like the first ones in for the Chrome extension. But this is their Chrome extension right here. You can click on it. It's in the top right-hand corner. But the biggest thing is it automatically integrates. And if you're scrolling down, it literally just shows you their monthly sales right away. So if you're just scrolling down, you're like, oh, how much are they making? It's one of the easiest ways to just be scrolling on Amazon randomly and be like, oh, they're making 1.5 million a month. You don't have to click any extra buttons. So you can click, you can search, and it's showing you how much they're making right away. You can also go and view their keywords and see what they're ranking for, which we're going to go in a second. But I want to see how much these mochi balls are making. And as you can see, look, this is brand new to Amazon in the past month. And right now, there's not really any monthly revenue sold showing because they're probably not generating like any sales. So the data has been very accurate for a lot of these. 2 million. This is crazy, right? And we can even see Japanese floor mattress. Oh man, you ever think about buying one of these? Not me, but maybe it fixes your back or something. And we can see if JungleScout automatically see now it's automatically working for this one. It's on the right side, and we can see the monthly revenue right there. Not bad at all. 140,000, right? And it's not perfect all the time, so sometimes it doesn't show you the 100% the numbers. So if it doesn't have the numbers, it won't show you it. But very nice to see. And if we do look back in here, we can click view keywords. Let's view a keyword. View keywords, and it's going to take you to their keyword scout inside JungleScout, and we can actually see what keywords the competitors are ranking for. Organic keywords, sponsored keywords. You can do the filter, high search volume. So what's their high search volume? Oh, here, look, we can go to page number 1. Which keywords can we type into Amazon where they show up on page number 1? And we can click apply filters. And it's just going to load. Let's see how, not too slow. Okay, Futon, floor bed, futon mattress. So if you wanted to sell these types of products, what you can do is actually just kind of look in and see exactly the data all right here, download into CSV. Again, super clean product research. If we're trying to find some different products, arts and crafts, I want to find something that's a standard arts and crafts item, and I want it to have at least 20 reviews. Let's say 20 to 150 reviews, and I want it to be making at least 5,000 a month. No, at least 5,000. 5,000 to 25,000 a month. Let's see if we can find any products for us. So this list is a little bit shorter than I thought, but this is an interesting item. What the heck? A silver bullet. That's huge. That's crazy. So pretty much finding weird items to sell is interesting at the end of the day. Again, so you can kind of look into these different tools. Let's do 5,000 minimum, and we can just do 20 reviews and click search and see if we can find more items. So it's not finding tons of items right here. So the big part where it's definitely going to be standing, let's do select all. Where it's definitely going to be standing out is going to be the Chrome extension and then the different analytical tools here. So we can do product opportunity finder. Maybe this one's better. We're going to do baby. We're going to do high demand products. Let's click search. I see. Okay, so we can see the niche score. So what products pretty much have a good niche, and you can kind of look at the search volume here at the end of the day. So going back to this, you can see the different pricing plans if you were interested in getting it, the starter, the accelerator, and the brand owner, right? And then they obviously have their enterprise solutions as well. Now they do have pretty much the best data in the game because they are making multiple partnerships, and every year they're always giving more, like a whole packet, which I'm going to show you in a second. Consumer shopping trends in 2025, JungleScout and Podium partner to power the 2025 Marketplace Index with global Amazon data. So they're pretty much partnering with people to get the best data possible for you so you can access it and you can see where you rank. And what it's doing is actually pulling all of the 2025 data, and they actually have access to Amazon Seller Central accounts so they can see who's winning the most, right? So if you launch a personal care item, the MDEX score, this is pretty much the market score for the current category and the future of the category. So that means personal care right now, it's doing really good. And in the future, it has a high potential to do good as well, since the highest score is 125. Second is going to be toys, stuffed animals, and play sets. Third is skincare. We've got vitamins, makeups, and then children's clothing. So definitely can look into this, and they have the retail score, the content score, the customer score, the media score, and you can kind of review this to see, okay, what would be a good item. Recreational swimwear. I didn't think that would be number 12 on the list. Number 10 is men's clothing. Number 9 is hair care. And we can kind of just go through this to see what opportunities are there. We're kind of going down the list now. And they've got a lot of different metrics and a lot of different data. So if you are data driven, this is another great tool. But again, the biggest thing about JungleScout, it's going to be its simplicity, how it integrates seamlessly within Amazon. You don't have to click any extra buttons. You're just scrolling through, and the product research is so easy. So if you're searching for something like Hello Kitty, and we can see how long it takes the tool to actually load. So it's been about 5 seconds. And of course, it depends on your speed, but that's not too bad. So automatically is loading. And then when it doesn't have the data, it just doesn't show it, which is nice. It doesn't just like hallucinate numbers. It's only giving you the real numbers at the end of the day. You can see this one's making 700,000 a month, 40,000 a month. We've got the daily units sold, the monthly units sold, the brand, and you can kind of see all that data on here, which is very nice, right? So at the end of the day, is it worth it? It's definitely worth it, in my opinion, because of the Chrome extension, right? I just love the Chrome extension. I believe their Chrome extension is better than anybody else's. If you're doing product research, if you're just scrolling Amazon, if you're a constant Amazon seller who's always looking to expand, it's so much easier if you're just scrolling and you see, oh my gosh, this is making $41,000. I didn't know that. Instead of having to do extra clicks. And as you know, in today's world, it's a much easier if you just have everything at your fingertips. In terms of the actual power of the other tools it offers, I think it falls short there. So if you want something that doesn't have to do with a Chrome extension, right? So you're doing pretty much a big competitor analysis, the back end keywords, data research on manufacturers or on other potential products to sell, I would recommend utilizing a different tool such as Helium 10, which is also in the description. But if I could pick one tool to start off with and to use, it's going to be JungleScout, just because of how simple it is. It's always been my favorite tool, just because of the simplicity and the Chrome extension. But that is it for today's video. I hope you learned something new and see that if you are a beginner on Amazon, JungleScout is definitely the place to start because Helium 10 is a little bit more confusing and a little bit more advanced. If you want more videos like this, tell me what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new, drop a like. And if you are a Amazon seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. If you need help with increasing sales, finding different products to sell on Amazon, or just anything regarding your Amazon business, contact EHP Consulting Group. Links are right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. We also offer full account management where we'll utilize all of our tools, Helium 10, JungleScout, Smart Scout, AMZ Scout, all of the above to help you find the best product, launch it on Amazon, and dominate. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.